Okay, guys, I saw this and I thought I should bring it to our attention. All right, this is me looking at Bitcoin USDT on a weekly time frame, right? And what did I do? I was able to, you know, pick out the highs and the lows of Bitcoin since 2017. Since 2017, yes, let's go way back to 2017. There's something that I noticed, and I don't know if it's actually a pattern or a thing, but it has always been there, and I've always been observing this. And I thought I should bring it to your notice so that you can also look with me and see whether I'm just the one that is seeing things, or you know, maybe I'm hallucinating or something. All right. So from 2017, right, 11th of December to Monday 10th, which is right here, Monday 10th, right, of December 2018, which is this one here, this one right here, right? Bitcoin dropped to its low that took about 364 days. 364 days for it to drop to its low. That's about 12 months, like 1 year or thereabout. Okay. Now, after Bitcoin dropped to 2018, what happened? It peaked. It started rallying again. It rallied and went to a high of what? Monday, 8th of November 2021. That was when Bitcoin got another peak to its all-time high. Now, that took about how many days? That took about 1,064 days. So, Bitcoin dropping takes about 364 days for it to reach or get to its bottom. Then when it wants to peak or when it's rallying to the upside, right, it takes about 1,064 days. Okay, still not convinced. Still not convinced, right? No problem. Me too, I was not convinced myself till I now say, okay, let me take the next low, like let me get to the next bottom and see how many days that will take. Okay, this was the high. Let me raise it up so that we'll see it very well. This was the high of Bitcoin. Here was the high. Now, Bitcoin went down, crashing to this period of Monday, right? From Monday, 8th of November 2021, it went down to Monday, 7th of November 2022. That took about how many days? Come up here. Here. It took about 364 days for that to happen. Okay, that's not enough. Let's go further. Now, from that point where Bitcoin got to its lowest low, I think that was where it got to about 15K or thereabout. After that low, the market started rallying again. It started rallying till it got to Monday, 6th of October. Here, Monday, 6th of October, 2025. Bitcoin got its peak that period before it started dropping again. Now, guess how many days that took? Should I bring it down for you so that you see? See. 1,064 days again. So is it like it's doing a 364 days drop and it will rally to a peak of 1,064 days to the peak? Then after that, it will do another 364 days, a drop. Then 1,000 and I don't know, 1,064 days to a peak. Like, what's really going on? Because if that's not enough, watch this now. The market has rallied down. Like, sorry, not rallied down, forgive me. The market sold off. So I now decided, okay, if the market is actually doing like this, well, let me mark the low. If it's a 364 days thing, let me pick the low. And guess where I will find myself? Guess where the bottom of Bitcoin would be? I now picked it, and that brought us to where? That brought us to Monday, 5th of October, 2026. That's when we are going to get our bottom. October 6th. That's when we are going to get our bottom. Because I know I usually see September, October as the bottom. I will often say in all of my videos, if you have been following me, it's not today, I've been saying it since. But this particular analysis just gave me the understanding and the final bust up for when we'll see the lowest of lows. Now, where I'm having some difficulties is the exact price, right? Which I now did a drawdown analysis on my previous video that gave me 30, best case scenario, 30 to 31K, worst case scenario, 28 to 29K. And a lot of people were attacking me that I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna go soon see something. I'm gonna go learn new thing. You will learn something from this. Just hold on. Just hold on. If you think this is the low and you start buying into Bitcoin now that Bitcoin is around this area, you start buying into Bitcoin, you are in for a big surprise. I'll tell you for free. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I can't tell you what to do with your money, but if you do this, if you buy Bitcoin here at this candle, thinking that is the low, you are in for a big surprise. Well, I don't want to make this video to be too long. This is just my analysis. This is the exact day that I think Bitcoin will bottom out, or this is the exact week, like during that 5th of October 2026, like throughout that week, since we are looking at the chart on a weekly time frame, that week is going to be our pivotal point for Bitcoin bear market crash. Take that or leave it. It's just my opinion. Nothing I say here is financial advice. Just my opinion. So if you like the video, if you like my content, and if you want to be seeing me doing more analysis like this, it's not just Bitcoin alone. My next video will be on Ethereum. I think I'm done with Bitcoin for now. Like I've said a lot about Bitcoin. I think I should give Bitcoin a break. Let me dive into Ethereum because there's a lot of things that a lot of people, traders, newbies have been doing to Ethereum, or have been, will I say, there are a lot of wrong purchases we have been making buying Ethereum that is just out of place. Out of place. In fact, Ethereum people, the mistake that Ethereum people are making, I'm going to teach them in their next video. So if you are a cryptocurrency holder or a crypto trader, kindly follow my video. I give important update and important facts, so you don't miss it. Please don't miss it. Whatever you do, don't miss it. All right, don't miss it. This is my honest review. This is my honest analysis. I'll see you in my next video.